Waiting for the baby. And so now I'm alone. Nag-ano yung water broke ko guys ng 7:15. Tapos non-stop na yung tubig talaga. Yung water broke ko ako guys. So daddy is in the paying for our admission deposit. So today is my day and yung bag namin yan, tapos tinilang namin mag-ano, tapos diretso lang kami sa labor room. I'm so excited guys. He knows that is ano, the baby knows.
Yeah.
She's coming.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Power Ranger.
Power Ranger.
JMH guest.
Steve Chan is actually a civil spell. Wild.
Chocolate latte. Wow.
Hello.
You're back there. Oh, ipakita ko kayo guys sa room. See? Mas malaki siya kaysa dun. Yung bag ko, yung bag na daddy. Waiting for the baby. And it's anong alas na ba? It's 3 o'clock I think. 3 p.m. And let's see, update ko kayo later guys. It started to being so painful. No, 21. Not yet, but then. So, I will update you again later on. Then, contraction is starting. Okay, guys. Bumibili siya. So, ba talaga siya, guys? Palabas na talaga siya. Kaya natin to. Kayang-kaya. Sakit. I told my camera, guys, kasi ano, kita ko na lalo niya nag-video. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. Oh. Sakit. Going down. My baby is doing pretty good. And hindi niya ako masyadong pinahirapan sa first CM. Unless mamaya. Oh my gosh. Kung makapag-video pa ako. Oof. Right, and hinihintay ko pala guys yung tumataas siya. Epidural. Kasi guys, induced kasi ako. Kaya, yun, later on, mas lalakas yung sakit niya once anahan na ako ng injection dyan yung mga nurse. Kaya mamaya na lang kasi baka nandiyan na yung mag-ano sa akin ng sa likod. So now I'm alone. Nag-ano yung water broke ko guys ng 7:15. Tapos non-stop na yung tubig talaga yung water broke ko, and the contraction is pretty bad. Even naka-epidural ako, nararamdaman ko yung head ng bata na talagang palabas na siya. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I'm very excited. And we'll update you again later on pag lalabas ng baby. Pagdasal niyo lang ako guys. So it's all getting ready. It's ready. And October 5, 8:30 ng gabi, at hindi pa ako nakatulog sila nang dumating kami dito. Kaya ng umaga ng anong oras nga ba yun? 10. At pwede na lang sa makeup, diba? So let's do this. Yung water ko, and I'll update you again. Bye guys. Bye guys. She's looking as well. You're looking at the video? Huh? Wow! You have the blue eyes.
Blue eyes, huh?
Is it blue eyes? I hope it's not change. Yeah. Yeah. It's a blue eyes. Hi. You're so quiet now, huh? You're quiet. You're being so naughty. Hmm? Hello, Baba. She was on the up. Her head is up.
So we bring to nursery. They will clean up a bit and put in the warmer.
Okay.
And then they will give you full breastfeed or
Breastfeed, yeah.